Here goes Natalie. Wow. Now that is a content creator. Here, let's see what else she's gonna do. Oh, another one. Oh, shit. Wow. That was amazing. Let me confront her.
You want another one?
Natalie, you're killing it. Guys, look at this. Taylor made this. That's incredible. I bought something new so I could play with myself. I know it sounds bizarre, but look at this. So this is perfect if you love tennis and you're extremely lonely. You know what else would be cool? Just somebody to play tennis with. Whoa. What?
Something's moving in the bushes.
Bullshit.
I swear to God.
Let's go, Jay.
Come on. Let's go, Jay. Let's go, Jay.
You give up now. You keep that tight. You squeeze that till you die. Why are you making those weird noises?
You told me.
Let's go surfing now. Everybody's learning how. Come on a safari with me.
Hey, man, it's hot out here. What you doing out here?
Don't you worry about why I'm out here. How come you're not out here? Don't try to be like me. I'm out here because you're not. Okay? So worry about yourself.
Let's go, Daddy-O.
Let's go.
Hey, get this six-pack ab, huh?
All right.
Okay, remember that puppy that we fostered, Iron Man? She's coming back right now for a play date for like a day to hang out with us, and I'm really excited to see if she remembers me.
Guys, look at this. Oh, sorry. Massive. It's like a full-on dog.
I heard if you swear, they pick up faster.
No, I don't cuss. I'm a man of the Bible.
Do it.
Hold on, that's it. That's like 20 minutes.
If you follow everything I do, I'll give you $2,000.
Okay.
Everything I do.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ready?
Guys, remember that throwback commercial, the security commercial I was talking about a couple of days ago? My buddy Matthew edited my very own little commercial. So here, look at this. I got that security system I was talking about. Watch this.
Armed stay.
Boom!
Exit now.
Holy shit. Come on, you gotta pretend, bro. It's gonna be edited in later. No. 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 A little bit. Yes. Not that one, no. Ilya! I got a new mask. What do you think?
Oh my fucking God.
It's fucking terrifying. Throw it up and say pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
Oh wow, that's pretty good actually.
You know this pizza shop I always wear? Look at this, look at this.
I'm on their wall. That's like really cool. Hell yeah, that's me and some pizza. Everyone got to sign theirs, so I said, love you, Joe Peeps. Natalie and I hooked up in your bathroom. She signed hers saying, no, we didn't. But thankfully I had one more. Yes, we did. That's what I look like when I do TikToks with Addison too.
Yeah, David.
Ride, don't blink, ride, leave it to the double thick thighs, twin sisters. Drop it down and wobble, wobble up. Mommy boot it up, she get down and gobble, gobble.
Pizza, oh la la, it's a wunderbar, oh la la. Ja, like a pizza, oh la la, it's a wunderbar.
I love you. I love you.
Matt, bite your bottom lip and say the word "oh" really slow.
Oh.
It's supposed to be like sexy, but like you made that seem like really lame.
You wanna make a TikTok? You wanna make a TikTok after this?
Oh my god, you know a lot of people tell me to start a TikTok, man.
You're not on TikTok?
No.
Oh, we gotta get on it right now.
Do you think we should get on it?
Congratulations, Vardhan.
Congratulations, Vardhan.
Congrats.
Vardhan.
Congrats, Vardhan. You did it.
A PS.
The first Antonian to make it out of 8th grade. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. That's my elbow. It is not edible. Well, I mean, I guess you could eat it, but I'd prefer if you didn't. So, just stop. Thank you. I don't know what you think you're doing. But... Ow!
Put your hands up. Too late!
Are you okay?
I love you.
No, you don't, Topper. You love the idea of me. You love being seen with me, but you don't love me.
I packed teeth a whole lunch because I have no food.
Oh my god.